Good morning, student. That as you know that we discuss about the chapter changes in the neighborhood and the school. That we learn about that what is change. We know that what is change. We discuss the change in the neighborhood, changes in the lifestyle of the people, changes in the food habit of people. Then we discuss the changes in the work pattern of the people, changes in the clothes of the people. We have to, this is the our topic from where we have to start changes in the school houses of the people. So you can see in the cities there are so many multi-storied building and the apartments, so this is the change. In the past time people only live in the mud houses, but now people very very fond of live to multi-story building, this type of story building. So because it has happened, so because individual plots and bungalows have become more expensive, and people do so because they find the flats more secure. Yes. This is the reason the people, because everyone is doing job, both the parent, father and mother, and they for this purpose they want to go in, live in the flats and the multi-story building, because there is also in the campus there is always a person who look after their building. So for that purpose they want to live in the building. In the past time people living in the mud house, the huts, but it is now changed. Changes in the tradition of the people. Yes, in the past time people they have time to leave their tradition, to enjoy their tradition, but nowadays due to the jobs, due to their work, they don't have time to enjoy their tradition. So because that is the lack of time, they don't have time. So that is the changes in the tradition of the people. So in the changes in the houses of the people, they want to live in the multi-story building, they want to live in the bungalows and plots. But in the past time people were living in the mud houses, the flat and in the hut, but now they live in the multi-story building. Tradition in changes in the tradition of the people, they don't have time to enjoy their tradition, they don't have time to enjoy their festival, because due to this change, because they are very very fond of to live a very luxurious life, and to live a luxurious life they have to work hard, because they have to earn money, so they have to work hard, so they don't have time to enjoy their tradition. Changes in the school and classroom. Yes, you can see the changes. There are a lot of changes after the summer vacation. When you come to your school, you see that your building color is changed, your classroom is colored, your new table and access. So that is the change in your classroom and school. The old teachers and other staff have retired and new ones come in the place, so for better teaching, and also the smart class also installed in your classroom. Computer labs have been built which make the little children learn how to operate a computer. So there are so many changes in your classroom and school. Reason for changing. What is the reason of changes? Because of the exposed to the electronic media, globalization, development in science and technology, desire of people to do something different. So this is the reason of change. कहते हैं कि चेंज का क्या रीज़न क्यों है, सारी चीज़ चेंजेस का रीज़न क्या है? डिज़ायर ऑफ पीपल टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. आपकी जो इच्छा है, आपका डिज़ायर है टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड चेंज. एंड what we are seeing on the TV, television, that the electronic media, if electronic media is showing you something on the TV, you also want to do something like that. So that is the reason, that is the electronic media is also a reason for the change. So desire of a person to do something different, that is the reason of change. Electronic media is a reason of change, And the developed countries, when we compare ourselves to the developed country and what the tradition, what the things they are following there, we also want to do like that. So that is the reason. Okay, so here few question is given in the practice session. So, if you have book, so read the book and do this all the multiple choice question here. What has brought a change in the life of the Indians? Today people love eating and the modern day people prefer to live. It's very quite easy to you if you have if you're having the book, and those who are not having the book, you can see this video and do it properly. Question is that how has lifestyle of people changed? Why do the modern day people work more? And which colors do the modern day people prefer? Sorry, that this all the question. I will just take the picture of this question sheet, and I will attach with the file. So you will get this picture, then you can write the answers properly. Okay.